Hi, my name is Natalie Bullis, and this is for my environmental science class. I'm at Bull River State Park in Hudson, Wisconsin. It's just 10 minutes away from Burr Falls, Wisconsin, and about 30 to 40 minutes from St. Paul in the Twin Cities. So first I'm going to read some highlights of the park from one of the brochures and the feature of one of the lakes and some of the info it has. I'm currently at the dam that they built for the Little Falls Lake. They used to have a man-made lake over there, but they drained it out. So we used to have a beach like probably 10 years ago. I've come here a lot as a kid, and it's a really special place to me and my family. So first off, Bull River State Park has become one of the most popular parks in Wisconsin with easy accessibility from Interstate 94. Its 2,900 acres offer a variety of recreational activities for park visitors. A large waterfall is the park's main attraction, offering deep gorges, three high overlook views, and it's breathtaking panoramas. The only way to see Little Falls is a hike there. The spectacular scene is always effort. It takes about a mile and a half walk to get to the falls. There's a shortcut, but a lot of people don't know about that, and it's a very steep hill if you take the long way. The other site to see is the Little Falls Dam, which we're currently at. And that creates 172 acres at Little Falls Lake. And then visitors can walk onto the dam and enjoy the view of the lake and the bed above the river below them. So that's the Little Falls Lake, and then that's the dam, as you can see with the water. Bull River has a state park with 150 family campsites. 100 campground was built with hospitality. It is located near the park entrance. The campground is fairly open with only a handful of sites in partial shade. 200 campground, which opened from 2011, located near the park. Old office site is more wooded than the 100 campground. All of the new sites have access to restroom facilities, and most of the sites would accommodate any camping unit. The older 300 campground is hooded campground developed in a wooded area of the park. Campsites are well spaced with heavy shrub growth supporting sites. The campground has more limitations on size of camping units, and those are back about a mile. They have a bunch of different campsites here because people stay here in the summer a lot. And the boat launch they have, where you can put your boat into the lake, but it's closed now because of them closing the old lake they had here. Had a large picnic area and a swimming beach that's found on the Falls Lake here, which you see. This is not the man-made part. And then in winter, people always come here in the winter for skiing trails, ice fishing, and snowshoeing. And then it just says that Bull River offers a wide variety of opportunities for outdoor recreation as well as the scenery, which you can kind of see. There's lots of trees and it's really pretty. A lot of people bring their dogs here and their families. It says future Little Falls Lake. Little Falls Lake is one of the main features of Bull River State Park. It is flowage. Flowage on the Bull River created by Little Falls Dam. The lake is popular for fishing, swimming, canoeing, kayaking, and sightseeing. It is one of the only non-motorized lakes in the state. The lake was first created in the mid-1900s when the first dam was constructed out of wood timbers. The early dams were used as thirst mills and flowage aided by the movement of logs downstream to the St. Clair River, which is probably a couple miles down from here. The existing dam was constructed in 1920 by Bull River Power Company. It was used for hydroelectric power until the 1960s when the property was sold to the state of Wisconsin, and the park was used. The flowage has been maintained for recreational use since the park's inception. Recent dam inspections have brought up concerns about structural integrity and the ability of the existing structure to pass projected to 100 and 1,000 year flood flows. The current structure does not have the ability to pass through the current flows. The existing dam is almost nearly 100 years old and is showing its age. As you can see, it's kind of rusted on the side here, so they're trying to rebuild it now. Amid these concerns, the department has decided to draw down the Little Falls Lake by removing the stored water and its impoundment to make it safer for downstream residents. The drawdown was detected in 2015, so just 2 years ago. This drawdown certainly has an impact on park visitors, affecting fishing, swimming, boating, and sightseeing in the park. The lake will remain drawn down until the dam is replaced. The duration of drawdown is expected to last for several years. Over the next few years, park visitors will likely see a lot of changes taking place as this project unfolds, including sediments, stabilization, removal, dredging, stream bank repair, and work on the dam itself. So they're trying to make it more ecologically friendly for the environment and for the ecological ecosystems in the area. So as you can kind of see,